My name is Amuge Everline. I come from Serere District, Serere County, Kiere Sub-County, Abuget Parish. I got to know about Gudie Leisure Farm through my local leaders. The parish chief was moving door to door, and qualifications were they needed a girl who has completed senior 4 with a smartphone, national ID, and that girl must be in position to register the 100 girls that you will go back and train after you have been trained in Gudie Leisure Farm. When I reached Gudie Leisure, I experienced so many things. There was a change in the environment as compared to where I came from. From Gudie Leisure, I've experienced I can use my hands to make so many things, and I learned that in Gudie Leisure Farm. Those things where we could make necklaces, so many decorations, and also reusable pads. In aquaculture, for now I can tell the 4 stages of fish. From hatchery, we go to fry fish, like now these ones in our tanks, they are called the fry. After fry, you go to fingerlings. After fingerlings, you go to juvenile. After juvenile, you go to table-sized fish. You first go to the pond, you identify a male and female fish, and of which their eggs must be ready for hatching. Like a female fish, you can press the female one and it produces eggs. You look at the color of the eggs. From there, you can be in position to identify the eggs that are ready for hatching. You look at the color, their color must be brownish. If you find the color is green, you leave that one. Now you go to the hatchery, you get the male egg and the female egg. They will be mixed. From there. It will be hatched to fry fish that can be put in a pond or tanks. If I go back to Serere, I'm ready to teach the 100 girls mostly the practical parts of aquaculture. Today, we learned about aquaculture business chain, whereby it was comprised of hatchery, logistics, marketing, and feeding.